Hello, will AI replace enterprise architects in 5 years? AI is replacing developers, testers, and analysts. Are enterprise architects next? In the next 5 years, AI is expected to automate nearly 40% of tasks across the tech industry with tools that can design architectures, write code, optimize cloud cost, and even predict business outcomes. Many people are asking, will AI replace enterprise architects? Today, we will break down the truth, and it's not what you think. Why this question matters now? Explosion of Gen AI in software design, auto-generated cloud architectures, autonomous DevOps, AI-driven impact analysis, CIOs pushing AI-first digital transformation. Enterprises are adopting AI faster than the shift to cloud. CTOs and CIOs want decisions in minutes, not months. The role of an EA, enterprise architect, was always about connecting business vision with technology strategy. But AI is now stepping into that scope. What enterprise architects actually do? Let's break the role into six key areas: business capability mapping, solution blueprinting, technology roadmap planning, governance, standards, guardrails, integrations, and interoperability, communicating with CXOs, business, and engineering. An enterprise architect is not just a technical expert, they are strategists, communicators, diplomats, and negotiators. They reduce complexity. They translate business goals into system designs. What are current AI capabilities versus enterprise architect responsibilities? Let us see AI strengths. It can generate architecture diagrams. It can suggest cloud solutions. It compares cost, performance, generates API specs. It can evaluate risk, produces documentation, optimizes system designs, simulate architecture failures, predict scaling bottlenecks. But what are AI weaknesses? Lack of organizational context, doesn't understand politics and human factors, cannot negotiate with stakeholders, struggles with ambiguity, often creates ideal world solutions that don't fit reality, and cannot own accountability. AI today can already design a microservice architecture in seconds, but can it understand why your finance department won't approve that Kubernetes migration? Can it convince your CIO to invest in a new integration platform? Can it negotiate trade offs with five conflicting business units? Absolutely not. So there comes the question again, will AI replace enterprise architects in 5 years? Let us break this into three possible scenarios. Possible scenario 1, AI replaces low level architecture, L2 or L3 solution design automated. Standardized architectures generated, API specs auto created is the possible scenario 1. Possible scenario 2, AI augments senior architects. Enterprise architects use AI as a co-pilot to make faster decision making, automated governance checks, and predictive impact analysis. And the third possible scenario is enterprise architects disappear if they don't evolve. Those who focus only on documentation and diagrams will be replaced. The enterprise architect who is strategic, business focused, AI enabled will rise. So, AI will not replace enterprise architects, but AI enabled enterprise architects will replace non AI EAs. What will actually change? Enterprise architect tasks, AI will take over documentation, pattern generation, initial architecture drafts, cost analysis, impact analysis, cloud optimization, API blueprint generation. EA work that AI cannot replace are cross team negotiation, understanding organization politics, communicating architecture in business language, vision, strategy, roadmap, enterprise governance, cultural transformation, making judgment calls. AI will take over the grunt work, but enterprise architects will evolve into high value strategists. The architect of the future is part technologist, part economist, part psychologist, and part AI orchestrator. Enterprise architects can stay relevant, adopt AI immediately, early adopters survive, learn AI governance and risk frameworks, master business architecture, develop negotiation and storytelling skills, build multi-cloud and hybrid architecture knowledge, become AI orchestrators, human and machine teams, focus on outcomes, not technologies. Learn how to evaluate, trust, and override AI decisions. You don't need to compete with AI. You need to learn how to direct it, like a pilot with an autopilot system. AI isn't here to replace enterprise architects, it's here to upgrade the profession. The question is, will you upgrade with it? If you like this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. Will AI replace EAs or make them unstoppable? What are your thoughts on it? Please let me know in your comments. Thank you.